To be successful in cracking passwords, you have to use the right dictionary. The dictionary should contain words in different languages, celebrity names, the name of football teams, and so on. OpenWall.com, the official website of John the Ripper, provides you a huge word list collection. It includes word lists for more than 20 human languages and lists of common passwords. Unfortunately, it's not free. However, you can find many free word lists on the internet. Let's move on and see how to combine more dictionary files into a single one. I'll download a text file from skullsecurity.org that contains the 500 worst passwords. This is the file. I'm copying the URL, and on Kali, I'm downloading it using wget. I'm pasting the URL. Okay, this is the file. The next step is to concatenate this new file to the existing dictionary files. Like this. Cat, this file, and the other dictionary files. For example, USR, share, John, and password.lst. The output redirection to greater signs I'll append to the end of the file my dict, for example, .txt. I have combined these two files into a single file. Maybe there are duplicate words and I want to remove them so that I have only unique words. And I'll do John word list equals the name of the file, my dict.txt, stdout, pipe, a vertical bar, unique, and the name of the file that will contain the unique words. Let's say my dictionary.txt. Perfect. There are 3,625 unique words. It's not a big list anyway. Now I can start John again, this time using the dictionary file. I've already shown you, so you know how to do it. Let's move on and see other options and ways of executing John. If you want to load only accounts with a valid shell or with specific shell, you use --shell option, like this. John word list equals and the name of the file rules shell equals and the shells with a comma between them. Let's say bash and sh, and the file that contains the hashes of the passwords. Unshadowed.txt. It's in the same directory. This file is in the current working directory. Okay, it's running. I'm stopping John. I want to show you other examples. The --users option allows you to filter a few accounts for cracking. For example, the same command, and instead of --shell option, I'll use --users equals, let's say admin, mark. It will try to crack only the passwords of admin and mark. And it didn't find any password. A dash before the list of the users can be used to invert the crack. Or load all the users that aren't listed. Like this. -root, admin. I have aborted the session. The most powerful cracking mode in John is called incremental. Let's start it. John --incremental. You can also use only -i and the password file. This will use the default incremental mode parameters, which are defined in the configuration files section named incremental. Let's see the configuration file of John. This is john.conf in etc John. Let's take a look there. I'm opening the file for viewing using less etc john.conf. This is the configuration file of John the Ripper. And we see here many options regarding the way John works. I'm searching for incremental starting in an uppercase I letter using slash and the word I'm searching for, incremental. And I'm pressing on N many times to see the next occurrences. And this is the section, incremental : ASCII. The session that's running, this session, it uses all ASCII chars and tries passwords with a maximum length of 13 characters by combining all characters in all possible ways. This will take a lot of time, probably more than you are willing to wait. At this moment, after a few minutes of executing, John is searching only for passwords that have 5 characters, and till 13 there is a long way ahead.